All right, guys, well, it is flight time. All right, so we're ready to go. We've got takeoff flaps initialized. We did a gear check, so we need to clear that. Okay, so we're ready for our flight. Gears up, flap set. And she is away. Gear up, flaps away. At full throttle. So that elevator setting was probably 75% on the takeoff. I'm just gonna get some elevation, see if she needs any trim. Sitting at 50% throttle. Check ailerons. Nice. Needs a couple clicks of up. I'll do that now. One click. 2 clicks. So just cruising around 50% throttle. We got 0 wind right now. Yeah, she's a little hot rod, that's for sure. We do have our fuel set up on this guy as well too, so we've got a fuel readout. So we'll do a CG check. Should be good because that's where BVM suggests. Yeah, just start over wherever. You're good, Mike. If you stay zoomed out, I can zoom in on the software. Do a nice big loop here. Okay, now that she's flying nicely, we're going to turn our gyro off just to see if it requires any additional trim. Couple clicks of right.
Four minutes.
Gyro back on. Do a nice low pass over the runway, low-ish pass. Crazy, eh? I do really love those tip tanks.
Yeah, they pop.
Without that, you couldn't even see the thing.
Oh no, they pop. That red elevator
3 minutes.
Yeah.
Later.
Yeah, 20-something years later.
Crazy, eh?
I think the first invoice I saw from Kelly owning this thing is 2001 maybe. Like the first parts he bought. That might have been even after.
Crazy. And now it's come to light.
Two minutes.
Sorry, Mike, that's about as hard as it gets.
Fuel level 50%.
That's good.
1
50%
minute.
fuel, 1 minute left.
Fifty seconds.
Is our wind doing anything, Stacy?
No. Flag is limp. It's a little higher here.
40 seconds.
Or a blue pill.
30 seconds.
Okay, so we'll start getting lined up. So we're going to do first flaps. First
Takeoff
flaps,
mode,
gear down.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Do need some trim. So I'm just trimming her out. We never trimmed out first flaps, takeoff flaps. So doing the same thing now.
Fuel level 40%.
Okay, so going to
landing mode, full flaps.
landing flaps.
Fuel level 40%.
Nice. Well done.
Nice.
Good job, my friend.
Hey guys, I just wanted to throw this together. It's been over a week now since we flew the T33 at Towfield, and the one thing we did not capture videos number or flight number 3 and 4, and it's important to note that the maiden flight we landed without the air brakes down, and first and second flight we did that, and the plane, it was fine. I mean, the plane does not want to stop flying, so touches down has a tendency to go back up. Part of the reason for that is the upward angle of the nose. So one of the fellows that was at the event, Bob Wanatoy, fantastic older gentleman who's been in the hobby for a long time, has lots of experience with these. Before I did flight number 3, he told me land with the air brakes out all the time. Okay, no problem. So we did that, and flight number 3 was amazing. Well, the landing was also amazing. That's really what we're talking about. So with the air brakes fully down, of course they're servo operated on this one, we were able to control the landing speed, the landing position, everything was just great. And then flight number 4, Bob has a CARF MiG-17, one of the smaller ones. And we were able to go up and do a formation flight, and it was wonderful. So again, flight number 4, the landing was stellar. So very happy with the T33. I just wanted to put that summary together because the maiden or the flight video doesn't really show a lot of that stuff. And very happy with this plane. It's a gem.